bloody warm out there. Christ, Ollie's just finished. Yeah, it's warm in here though, with no air conditioning. But hell, it's like a fan-assisted oven. I ain't had a lot to do with making this here, but it looks bloody good stuff. Because there's been some grass build in this vicinity anyway, this last sort of week or two. I mean, the weather's perfect for a job, innit? It's the poor man's version is our 320. It's got the gearbox with only 4 ranges and the exhaust on the bonnet rather than up the cab. Yeah, bloody good tractor though, it really has. Go out for a run. He's like some kind of athlete, isn't he? He doesn't do running. Yeah, we've just fenced this bit off, this corner off, because they're real short of grub. All of a sudden, with it being so dry, they've eaten up. So we've given them a bale of straw and they aren't much bothered with that. So hopefully they're trained to electric fence and they'll see it and know what it is, because we put an electric fence in the yard. But they can't go anywhere anyway because it's all fenced in. This is around my dad and mum and dad's farm, and they can't go anywhere anyway. They'll come through in their leisure, won't they?
I just didn't want them to
bray through and run straight through it.
Yeah. Thought to see me.
Come on, girls. There's loads of grass. We only took a sheep out about 3 weeks ago, and it's grown like mad, and it's real soft, tender grass. There's quite a few thistles in it though, which will spoil it, but it'll make some real nice juicy silage for when calves first come. Produce a lot of milk, I would have thought. Up there into their new paddock. I wanted to do this originally. I wanted to sort of graze different areas to let the grass recover, but we never sort of got organised. And there they're on, they're liking that, aren't they? They took us straight into fresh grass. They'll have that eaten up in 3 or 4 days, won't they? Yeah, we're just letting this grow up a bit. It ain't quite ready for mowing. I think our mower will run over the top a little bit. But they really took it in. The rundown fence, we think they're just sussing their boundary out. They're a new boundary, really. They knew what the fence was because they run down the line, and now they're just having a. Are they full? Yeah, they're just seeing their boundaries. think our pressure washer man's got a little bit of overkill on his tractor he's brought. You don't mind being on telly, do you? it's a bloody animal, his pressure washer he's brought. Absolute animal, because these walls haven't been washed for, well, these about 6 or 8 years. They're just bringing it clean off. Protecting our posts. We got a shock actually when he got them all washed up. They're rotting like mad at bottom. So what we're doing, we're covering them in grease and then we're shuttering them up with these barrels, pouring concrete in. So that's the finished product. All washed out for our inspection on Thursday. The company's coming to advise us on a bit of stuff and one thing or another, and we had to wash out. So yeah, he's made a good job as lad. He's I'll put his number in description if you want any sheds locally washing out. Give him a shout, because yeah, good lad. He's made a good job. It's coming loose, is that bucket brush? Yeah. Yeah. Maybe a bit of a weld and all. I don't know what to say really. I think Sexy Fingers wants a lesson on feathering the clutch. He left on Saturday in a rush and he had to, bloody hell, he had to bail a bale what they'd rolled out. Anyway, it went a bit fast and it just wrapped it. They ended up abandoning. They did that at 5 o'clock Saturday night. So that was the end of that. So luckily it was on the last bale, but it's rum stuff, very sappy grass. But loads of it, absolutely mountains of grass. So, well, lesson learned, if you just go a bit slower, that doesn't happen maybe. Keeps chuntering at me. Thistles. What? Thistles. Well, there's a few thistles among it now. Fair wrapped it, hadn't you? Didn't Peter, didn't the clutch go? No. First time, might he? You'd think the clutch on the pickup reel would have gone, but it didn't. It just kept wrapping itself up, sort of thing. But it's spinning that fast. Once it starts to wrap, it soon gets wrapped, if you know what I mean. Do you want the little grinder?